Welcome to my channel.
Hey kids! Welcome to Kids Educational Vibes! Today we're flying high up in the sky to learn about air transport. Are you ready to take off? Let's go! Airplane! An airplane flies high in the sky and carries many people to faraway places. Helicopter! A helicopter has spinning blades on top and can fly straight up. Jet! A jet is a fast airplane that zooms quickly through the clouds. Cargoplane! A cargo plane carries packages and goods instead of people. Fighterjet. Fighterjet is a super fast plane used by the military. Hot air balloon. A hot air balloon floats in the air using hot air and a big colorful balloon. Glider. A glider is a plane with no engine that glides quietly through the sky. Parachute. A parachute helps people float safely down from the sky. A space shuttle. A space shuttle. A space shuttle blasts off into space with astronauts on board. Drone. A drone is a small flying machine that can take pictures and videos from the air. Seaplane! A seaplane can land on water and fly in the sky too. Blimp. A blimp is a big, soft airship that floats slowly in the sky. Private jet. A private jet is a small, fancy airplane for a few people. Rescue helicopter. A rescue helicopter helps save people in emergencies from the sky. Ultralightaircraft. An ultralight is a very small and light plane for 1 or 2 people. Stealth bomber. A stealth bomber is a military plane that flies quietly and is hard to see. Hang glider! A hang glider is a flying wing that you hold onto and glide through the air. Agricultural plane, crop duster. This plane sprays farms with water or plant food from above. Military transport plane. This plane carries soldiers and supplies for the army. Commercial airliner. A commercial airliner is a big airplane that takes people on trips. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.